Hurricane Barry update. That's right. Tropical Storm Barry is now a hurricane with winds at 75 miles per hour. The barometric pressure has raised a bit to 996 millibars, and the storm is still tracking northwest at 6 miles per hour. Where the yellow circle is where my fellow weather forecaster Mike Etter is on the Mississippi coastal area. I just spoke with him, and his weather is picking up. Heavy rain, not a lot of wind with it, but if you see where Biloxi is right there, can read out Pascagoula, that is where Mike is. I am where that little blue dot is. So you can see just a little bit more western movement will clear the skies for me in a way. So I'm going to run down, give you guys a quick look at what's going on here. Mikey, keep me up to speed. The storm is still packing a heavy rainfall punch. So let's go check this out, see what's going on. All right, everyone, so it is tropical update number 9 for now what is Hurricane Barry. And again, I am here on Dauphin Island, Alabama, pretty far to the east of the center of circulation, which is just now coming on shore near Morgan City, Louisiana. So just a quick video. These rains have not stopped falling since probably, I don't know, 3 o'clock this morning, and it is just coming down in sheets at this point. So the wind isn't bad at all. Again, if you follow these videos, off in the distance straight in front of me to my east is the Mobile Bay. And there has been a line of really strong showers coming basically up the Mobile Bay all day long. It's almost been kind of stuck there. So you can see maybe a quarter of a mile off in the distance, whereas earlier today you could see probably, I don't know, 5 miles. So visibility has shrunk. The wind, again, you can reference the flag, and I always like my trusty tree. The wind is a non-factor here. I just checked in with my fellow forecaster, Mike Etter, and the coastal Mississippi area, even closer to the storm center. So Mike just indicated that he had heavy rain there, not a lot of wind, but I do think his forecast will change. So all in all, what we went through this morning with the high tides, if you've watched the videos earlier, the high tide and the flooding in the yard has subsided. Again, the tide was at its highest at about 8:05 a.m. this morning. So it's around noon now, so we were lucky and had that tide drop off, so the yard is basically clear behind me. However, if this band of showers remains as it progresses through the day, and then into this evening, if the tide gets, or if this rain is still here, when the tide begins to crest again, then I think the flooding may be way worse, all right? So for right now, just a heavy rain event. We must have had here on Dauphin Island 5 to 8 inches at this point, and it's still coming. I just checked the Doppler radar, and it looks like that once this little tiny kind of sliver of the far eastern part of this storm passes here, it looks like we may be in the clear. But I thought that this morning when I looked at it, and it's still just kind of sitting here. So this storm has not moved rapidly at all. Very slow moving storm. For the most part, just a rain event here in Dauphin Island. We do have a west end that's very susceptible to flooding. I tried to drive down there a little while ago, and the west end of Dauphin Island was blocked off at one of the streets just as we start approaching the west end of the island. So surely everybody is hunkered down there, and hopefully everybody's property and homes are safe. Anyway, I'll zoom in on this water here so you can see how hard the rain is coming down. So nothing major, but again, cumulative rain can spell disaster. All right, everyone. I hope everyone is doing all right. I know that the New Orleans, Louisiana area, eastward to where Mike is, that helps me with these weather videos, is located. Again, he is where the yellow circle is. So hopefully everyone, as this storm moves a little bit to the west, gets prepared for heavy rainfall and does not try to attempt to go out and walk through it or play in floodwaters because it can get highly dangerous. For anyone here on the west end of Dauphin Island, again, I hope all is well. And I know it's probably a rough go down there, but this storm is moving slowly. So for right now, everyone stay safe. If it stays the same here, this will be my last video. Take care.